We had downloaded the Open Model Zoo in the previous video. Now unzip it and go to inside the unzipped folder. You will find a demo folder inside it. Go to this folder and you will see all the available demos for you. Some are C++ and some are Python. You can directly run these demos in Python, but I will use PyCharm for it. And if you go to the bottom in the last of this list, you will see there is a build script also available for you. So this will build all the demos in just one go so that you can directly run them, but I am going to show you the PyCharm method because I think if you do it in PyCharm you will be able to edit the code, mold it according to your requirement, modify it, add more files, remove files, do whatever you want to do to make it customized. So I'm opening in PyCharm now. Right click the right mouse and open with PyCharm. So it is now opening. So you can see the readme page is visible in PyCharm. So on the left hand side you will see all the Python files, and this is the readme file which have very good instructions how to download the models and how to run the models using these Python scripts. So first we need to configure the environment, I mean the Python environment. So we will go to project and then Python interpreter, and then select the previously created conda environment. So go to add if it is not visible directly, and then now you can choose your Vino 2023 environment that we created in the previous video. After this click OK, and now your PyCharm and this project will be configured with this conda environment. So here are some scripts and some models available for you, and detailed instructions how to customize and run these. So first we need to download the models. So here is the list of available models which are compatible with this demo. So facial recognition, there are many, as you saw in the previous video also, there are many models available. You can use any of them depending upon how much accuracy you want and how much compute power you have. So here is the all compatible model list. So we will go and download all of them, or you can just choose to manually download these models individually, but I will use the whole list to download all the models. After that we will need to create a gallery of the images for which we want to do facial recognition. It serves as a database of faces which you want to recognize. So this readme provides you command to run this application demo. So you can configure your command parameters. For example, you can change the input, whether you want to run it on image or you want to run it on video, or which camera you want to use. And you can configure the models also, like whether you want to use model A for recognition or model B for recognition. All you can change here. You can also change on which device you want to run the models. So you can run either these models on your CPU, you can run it on your integrated GPU as well as discrete GPU and the MoVDS devices. So all those parameters are configurable here, and you can make your own command. So here is one example also available for you. So now let's go ahead and download the models. I will use this command to download all the models inside this list. So first let me copy the project folder path because I want to download the models inside it. I will firstly go to this folder. CD into this folder first. Okay, now I will run the omg_downloader command with the model list. So it will look into this list of models and download all the available models inside this list. And these models are already converted into OpenVino, and some models are in different frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. So we will have to manually convert them. So now models have been downloaded. Now I will run this command to convert some of the models to OpenVino which are not already in OpenVino. So it will look into list and try to convert, and I got some error. So I got error while converting the models to OpenVino. So I got two errors here. Actually, these are error with my Conda environment. If you remember in my last video, I downloaded this OpenVino only for PyTorch, but some of the models are in TensorFlow. So first I will have to download TensorFlow and install it in this environment. And there is one more bug with my environment, and OpenVino is providing me clear instructions to solve it. So first I will download TensorFlow. Now TensorFlow has been installed. I will now solve the second bug. So this was the instruction. So I'm running this command. So let me format it properly. And now I should be able to convert the models. I will again run omg underscore model converter for this list. It will go in this list and it knows where we have downloaded the model previously using the omg underscore downloader. So now it will look into this list and the downloaded folder, and it will convert the models in OpenVino for which the conversion is required, and it will leave those models which are already in OpenVino. So now my conversion is done. Now I will create a image database. This is me, and I will take some pictures of me so that it can recognize. I am taking some of my pictures. Done. Now I will go to the folder and copy this picture, go to my project, create new folder, give it a name, let's say faces db. So now I will put my image inside this folder, and I have cropped it before putting it here, and you can put as many images, faces that you want to recognize. So now let's run this application by putting the command line arguments. So go to modify run configuration and make your command using the readme file. I have put my command here. Basically I have put all the model paths and where I want to run these models. And here is my cropped image. There is one more method where you don't need to crop image. You can read about that method on the readme file. And now I'm running. Basically there are three main models. One is for facial detection, which detects face and send it for recognition, and there is one more algorithm which basically aligns your face properly. So now you can see the model is running, and it's getting loaded on iGPU, and now you can see me. So here you can see the confidence and the bounding box around the face, and it is running at real time around 30 frames per second. And you can see in the task manager that integrated GPU which comes free is being utilized also. Many people don't know that they have a free integrated GPU available if you have Intel devices where you can run your deep learning models, and you can change these settings in the command line argument. And now I am running it again. Here we go. So AI facial recognition running on your laptop at very high frame rates. Thank you.